Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Brunito Marsito from Steal a Brainrot Roblox, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started with the head further over to the right hand side, just because the left arm here is going to be quite long pointing out. So we're going to start over splitting our face in half over here, and for that nose we're going to curve this line down and then back up on the side. On both sides here we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the middle. Let's come down for the mustache. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the right. And now from here, we're just going to curve this across, closing that off. Let's move underneath for the mouth. We're just going to arch that over again. And then right in the middle, just another small line in the center. Now let's move up for the eye. Stepping over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out towards the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. From that outside corner here, we're just going to curve this line in, closing off the corner of that eye. Let's come up now for the eyeball, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the inside corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a circle for that highlight. And then moving across on a diagonal beside that, we're just going to draw in another circle, connecting that from the top to bottom for the pupil. Now let's color in the center black. Let's move up for the eyebrow, stepping over, curving that across on both sides. Now let's move up. We're going to draw a small diagonal line coming in towards the center. And then from here, we're going to bring this line over and then down in the corner. Let's move up for the headband. So right above here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. And then on both sides, we're just going to bring this diagonal line across. Let's close that off, creating a rectangle. Now let's come underneath on the right hand side, bringing this line over. And then we're just going to curve this up slightly towards the top. Let's come down on the back, bringing this line out. We'll bring this line through towards the top and then back in. Now let's come over on the left hand side. We're going to curve this out. We'll pull this through on a diagonal towards the top of our page. And then we're just going to curve this back down towards the middle. Let's flatten out the headband here. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming out past our eye on the left. We'll do the exact same thing, carrying that through on the right. We're going to draw in a straight line coming up on both sides, ending that at the same height. We'll draw in the face details underneath. So we're going to curve the hairline out on the left and right hand side. Let's straighten out the face now on both sides, bringing this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. We're going to bring the cheeks in now, so we're just going to pull this through on a diagonal line. Let's curve this down. So we're going to draw in an arch line for the chin. And then on the very bottom, we're just going to bring this line over. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same on the right. Let's draw on the ear. So we're going to round this out, drawing in a half circle. Let's add in the detail for the ear, curving that line over on the very top. And then we'll round this out by arching this back in on the side. Now on both sides here, we're just going to bring this line up towards that headband. And then coming underneath, we're just going to bring this line down and in. And then we'll just connect that by bringing that across. Let's draw on the hair above. This is going to be almost in like a series of squares. So we're going to start in the middle. We'll draw a straight line coming up. We're going to bring this line out on both sides. We'll bring this line down and then tuck that back in on the side. Let's step across again. So curving this line over, bringing this line down, and then we're going to tuck that back in on the very bottom. Stepping out again, curving that across, flattening that out on the side, and then from here on the bottom, curving that in. Now lastly, for the ones on the side, we're going to curve this out. We're going to bring this out on a diagonal this time slightly, bringing this out and then back in. And now we're going to keep coming up in rows. We're going to round it out as we come in to create that dome shape. So in the middle, stepping over on both sides, straight line coming up. We're going to close that off with a curved line. Stepping out again, curving that across. And then we'll bring this line back down. Let's move over, curving that out. Flattening that out as we come through on a slight diagonal. And now we run around the side of the head out. So we'll step in, curving that in on a diagonal. So we're rounding this out towards the top. Curving that back in on the top. Again, from the middle, stepping over, 2 diagonal lines coming up. Close that off with a curved line. Stepping over, curving that out on both sides. Now from that point, drawing in a diagonal line coming through. Stepping out again, coming over, curving that diagonal line in, so we get that arch line. And we're just going to round out the very top, curving that through. Now right in the middle, we're going to draw in another straight line. And we're just going to curve this across on both sides to close off the top of the head. Now let's come down and define the cheekbones. We're just going to bring this line up and then through. Now in the middle, on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through, joining in the center. For the collar, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back in. From the center here, let's curve this line out towards the right. Let's start with the suit jackets. On the inside, we're going to curve this line out on the left. We'll come over on the right, doing the exact same thing, ending that at the same height. Let's come up 2 diagonal lines coming out on both sides. On the left-hand side here, a small diagonal line coming through. And then we'll close this off by curving this out towards that suit jacket. We're going to draw in some squares for the buttons now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a square. We'll do the same thing in the middle. And then as we come down, let's draw one more. We'll draw one over on the left-hand side here. Now on the right, let's draw this straight line coming down. We'll bring this line out towards the side, pulling that in. Let's flatten that out, bringing this in and then across. And then again, bringing this in and then out. And then just flattening that out again with a straight line. Now let's come across for the bottom of that suit jacket. We're just going to curve that out, drawing that at the same size. Now from here, stepping in, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to bring this line across, following that up. We'll pull this through towards the top, arching that out. And then from that corner, just curving this line in. Let's draw in some buttons over here. So we're going to draw in another square on the top. We'll move down in towards the middle, doing the same thing. And then coming down again one more time. Let's focus on the right arm here. So we're gonna come down on this line. We're gonna curve this out. We're gonna flatten this out on the bottom where the elbow bends. And then we're gonna tuck this up. We're gonna draw 2 straight lines, ending those at the same height. We're gonna close off the sleeve here. So we're just gonna curve that over, extending it slightly past our line on each side. Let's come down, replicating that, keeping it inside those lines. Now for the wrist sleeve, we're gonna curve 2 lines that come up, ending those at the same height. Let's close that off with a curved line. Moving in behind to close off the shoulder, we're gonna curve that in towards the body there. Now let's draw the hand. We're gonna come up, leave a gap, drawing in a corner bracket here. For the pinky, we're gonna bring this line down, across. We're gonna make this a little boxy. So on the left-hand side here, we're gonna bring this line up, over, and then down. For the center finger, same thing. So we're gonna step up, bringing this over, up, through, back down. One more time, coming up, bringing this over, up, around, and down for that top finger. We're gonna tuck the thumb in behind. So we're gonna just draw in a rectangle on a diagonal. And then just a small line connecting that to the wrist. Let's close off the jacket underneath. So we're just gonna curve this up. On the left-hand side, we're gonna curve this up too, roughly ending it around the same height. Now let's draw this arm pointing out. So on the top here, we're gonna bend the shoulder, bringing that over, ending this at almost the same width here. And then we're gonna bring this diagonal line through towards the top left. We'll drop down, replicating that on the bottom as well, ending that at the same distance. Let's close this off, extending this line slightly past on each side like we did on our right arm. And then we're gonna come down and draw in 2 slightly curved lines, leaving a gap. Let's draw in this wrist here. So we're gonna curve this up. And then again, just closing this off with a curved line. Let's come up. For that pointer finger, we're gonna bring this line out, down, back in. For the thumb, pulling this out, down, and across. For the finger behind, down, around, and in. Again in the middle, curving this down, around, and then in. And then we're gonna close off the hand by just bringing this line in towards the arm. Now lastly, we just have to draw in the leg. So we're gonna come down right in the middle, drawing in a curved line across. We'll draw a straight line coming up. And then we're just gonna bring this line out and through. Now from here, stepping in, we're gonna curve this line down on the left and right hand side. We're gonna step over, replicating that, bringing this through, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with a straight line. We're gonna bring this line up on a diagonal, this time towards the side. Closing off the pant leg, we're just gonna curve this back in towards that suit jacket. Now, as we come up, we're just gonna draw in 2 diagonal lines across. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom here. Now where these lines meet up, we're gonna pull these back on a diagonal again on the inside. Lastly, the shoes. We're just gonna draw in a slight curved line coming down, ending those at the same height. And then we're gonna pull this line across on a diagonal. We're gonna end this almost at the same width as the line right above. Now from here, we're gonna bring this line up and over. Let's close out the front of the shoe. We're just gonna curve this line out towards the side, just bringing that past our line on the top. Now from here, we're gonna flatten this out, pulling this up. And then we're just gonna tuck this back in on a diagonal towards that corner. Now let's draw on the sole of the shoe. So we're just gonna follow the shape of our line on the bottom. then we're going to pull this across towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Brunito Marsito. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.